Leonardo Lau of ADC Red versus Rain Escultura Oro of TFK Blue. Championship match.
Last call. Kate Bukayan of Alpha, wala. Kate Bukayan, wala. Alpha, sige. Chintel Dior.
Report number 1.
Chintel Dior, wala.
14 to 17 years old.
Cristel Dimado, wala.
Kuya,
Jessa Villamor. Gianna Alexis. Maricel Sukayon.
14 to 17 years old. 60 kilogram above. Double seat boys. Please prepare for court number 1. From Laguna, Chino C. Binavente. Red versus PFP. Bird Russian IP Banyas. Blue.
Chintel Dior, last call. Chintel Dior. Frontling. Wala. Chintel Dior.
On deck.
Last call. Chanel Pulvis. Chanel, dito na lang ka.
Ibanez from PFP.
The court number 2, winner by split decision, Red Diamond, Jasmine Sarabia of KDC.
On deck from Labangon, Ken Shane Sendo. Red versus Briggs Barong. Blue.
Okay, court number 3, we have a winner by majority decision. Blue, Mark Reyes of PPE. Sabgan, boleh mengisi. Sabgan. Ayo, sige. number 3.
Punch name.
Mark Reyes, Wanda. Mark Reyes, blue. Dia kan. Blue ba? Imong kontra si Porlahi, red.
Next match for ring number 1, Renzo JJ Lamacion of ADC Yormok. Red versus Lord Brian Mante of Zitlacon, blue. Next match. On deck for ring number 1.
Tag time.
For ring number 1, we have a winner by unanimous decision. Red